Back again with our backtesting video. GU backtesting it with SMC. First thing first is market structure. You can see how the breakout structure to the upside. And then the change of character to the downside. Then after, we got 15 minutes of our internal structure, and we took this sell after getting a retest on this sell breaker block. Then we took this sell. So now it's just a waiting game. Didn't get a clear pullback, so we need to be a little bit patient. We had news, so the market shifted bullish to the upside, but you have to remember we had our supply zone just here. So after supply zone is disrespected, automatically it becomes our buy breaker block. Buy breaker block, you can see. Then got that touch and that continuation. So we need to see price coming back to our buy breaker block, then you get our confirmation, then we continue trading up after getting that confirmation. Although you have this big imbalance, which is the pool of liquidity. Yeah. Then you had our demand zone, our new swing low here, internal structure. Have our entry there. We got a clean entry. It's now just a waiting game. Had our breakout structure to the upside. Then we hit our TP, full TP, clean. Then we had our 3 candle pullback here. Had this break to the upside. That means we had our demand zone just here. And also we had that trade. So we had that trade. And we had our continuation. had our demand zone just here. Then we have to wait for the price to come back to our demand, and we can't go with aggressive entry because of the size of the demand. So we need to wait for the price to come back. Got a touch, another touch. Yeah, London session open. Then we get our continuation, right? Now we have to wait for this break, and after getting that break, you can see 30 minutes. That 30-minute candle. Stop loss just below our last candle, our entry candle. We almost got ticked out. Yeah. We took that loss. Then we wait for the price from this extreme demand zone. After getting this candle close here, this is our entry. See our stop loss just below here. This time around, let's see what really happens. Price came back to our entry. At that moment, you just put your stop loss to break even, and you protect your capital. Clean, clean. One 6.125. Super clean. You lose 1%, you win 6% plus the 6% plus the 6%. It's just a matter of risk to reward. You don't need to win each and every trade, but you just have to try to win more when you win, and you lose less when you lose. As simple as that. Even with 45% win rate, 40% win rate, you still can be profitable with a good risk to reward. Then we can measure our from swing high to swing low. Then we can have our last cannot sell. If you just put your break even, if you just put your demands on this side, most of the time the market will go up without you, right? Apologies, without you. So it's better you get that big demand zone just from the last candle that led to the breakout structure. As long as that order block is just below the discount zone if you're trying to buy, and above premium zone if you're trying to sell. As simple as that. So let's see what's really happening. You see, we got this tag and our confirmation from here, and our entry just here. So we target the next swing high, our break even just below here. Let's say I read it. Boom, boom. Then you put your stop loss to break even. Stop loss to break even. Then we leave the trade to play out. Break even hit. Sometimes it will happen. The price will go straight to your break even and then it will go straight to your direction. So don't just try to chase it, because still it can come back and take you out again, and your emotions will be triggered and you start hating yourself just because you didn't try to control yourself. So it was even late. We entered this trade late in the evening. You can see we had this 30. We didn't get that confirmation. We had it here. We had the body candle close to the upside. Stop loss here. Don't mind about my stop loss. You can see I have a